Welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Have you ever been looking for the perfect decorative molding for your next project? We are excited to share some of our bead molding options with you. These popular pieces are also referred to as bob and trim or pearl molding. This attractive design has been popping up everywhere in the DIY community, so we've decided to add a few more sizes to our collection. First, we have half-round bead molding designs that range from 7 seconds in width to 1 31 Each of these have a flat back for easy application on walls, furniture, and other flat surfaces. For a slightly more interesting look, we have a half-round barrel and bead molding options in a few different widths. Some projects may call for a fully rounded design, which is where our full round bead molding comes into play. This style of trim is available in sizes ranging from 7 seconds to 11 seconds in diameter. Each of our molding pieces are sanded to 150 grit and ready for you to add the finish of your choice. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.